Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your air raid precaution program. Listen carefully.
Don't run outside. Don't use the phone. This is no time to pet your doggy, so leave him alone. Just be calm and cool and do your bit. You better get your ladder and emergency kit if you don't want to cross the river Jordan. Cooperate with your air raid warden. Wow, 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 wow. Turn out that light. Pull down that shade. Don't get excited, take it easy, and don't be afraid. Have you got your flashlight in your hand? You better get your shovel and a bucket of sand if you don't want to cross the river Jordan. Cooperate with your air raid warden.